Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get puppies, PA weather, and some life in there. I'm Laura. If you're new, I sure hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so I do have 3 sidekicks, as you can see. This is Dexter, who's joining me right now. We also have Loki, the Westie, and Willie, the Jack Russell, and then we can't forget Harvey, the kitty. Today is a snow day. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere today. We're supposed to get 1 to 2 inches of snow an hour. It started snowing overnight around 2 a.m. I think it started. My neighbor already was so kind and shoveled out our driveway. Well, he didn't shovel. He has a tractor with a plow. So he plowed it out for us once already this morning. But this is going to be an all-day occurrence. We're supposed to get quite a bit of snow. I think 10 to 12 inches or so. So we shall see what that looks like. But I'm going nowhere. So with that in mind, I dressed in a easy outfit from the Loft. So Loft does lounge really, really well if you haven't checked out their loungewear. And I have on this outfit, the weekend sweatshirt with the matching pants. These are like a barrel style, so they're extra, extra comfy, just loose. And they're short enough that I can throw my micro mini little Uggs on for me, just getting the dogs in and out of the house. If I'm obviously going to go somewhere, I would need something a little bit higher, but these are going to be perfect for today. No jewelry. That's it for today. I'm going to be working on a video for you all, and I think that's my day, trying to stay warm, keep the dogs from disappearing in the snow. All right, I will try to track the snow for you and share some of the highlights, and we'll see how much we get. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, it is Monday. It is actually the end of day Monday, so it is 5 o'clock when I'm finally getting to this. It was a cold, cold day. The snow has seemed to have come to an end, so final digging out is taking place. Hopefully we get no more sun. No more snow. I hope we do get lots of sun. No more snow. I think that the temperatures are not going to warm up anytime soon, though. It's going to be at least a couple weeks before we see snow melting weather. So it's going to stay in these really, really cold temperatures, which I can tell you in Pennsylvania, we don't get a lot of below 20-degree days. It's usually in the 30s is our coldest. So this is feeling really, really cold for people. My Stitch Fix posted today, and I thought it was a really good one. So I did end up getting to 5 because it was what seemed to make sense based on the pricing. So I could get the 25% off everything. I returned the button down. You know how I feel about button downs. I did return that denim jacket. It was uber expensive, and I didn't think it was super special. I also returned the striped cardigan top, like sweater top. I liked it, but there was something about the pockets. I don't know, but I ended up returning that one. I kept the rest of the items. And I thought the price wasn't too bad for all 5. For today, you're not gonna, this is not gonna be exciting. I knew I was not leaving my house today, and I have not. My husband went and shoveled out my dad, but I've been home all day sitting in front of my computer for work. So I dressed comfortably. I have on Evereve denim, an Evereve sweater I got last year. The denim is from this year. I don't have shoes on. I put on socks that my son and his girlfriend got me. And look, I have a little string there, but these are super comfy. And I didn't plan for shoes at all. Cut off that string. And that's my outfit. I have on the necklace my husband got me. I have on a bracelet stack that's also from Evereve. So this is an Evereve outfit. And that's it. Sorry, not exciting today. Hopefully I can pull better outfits up for the rest of the week. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. I kept thinking all day yesterday it was Tuesday, so I'm really struggling with what day it is. It is Tuesday. The wind is quite blowy today, and the temperatures are still cold. It's 7 degrees outside. It's fun. And so I am traveling tomorrow. I'm not prepared because I keep expecting it to get pushed, but I think I'm going to have to go tomorrow. So we're going to have to do that today. For my outfit, I have on Dear John denim from a Wantable. I have on a Nic Zoe top from I believe this one's from a Front Door Fashion. For shoes, how about these Mark Fishers? And for my jacket, I picked this Sanctuary jacket. I love this one. I have on the necklace my husband got me, my Louis necklace. I have on a bracelet stack. I did put in bigger hoops this morning. And I think I'm set for today. We'll see about the rest of the week. I hope you're staying warm, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. Oh, I get my days right this week. It's Wednesday. Time for outfit of the day. It is about 20 till 5 in the morning. I've got to hit the road, so it's exactly 4:43. And the temperature is a whopping 6 degrees. All right, that should be fun. For my outfit today, I have on cut from the cloth denim from my cut haul, you may remember, paired with a cut from the cloth top. This is the same as that. It's that Noli top. I showed it to you black in that cut haul. For shoes, how about these fun Dolce Vitas? And my jacket is this cute little crop jacket from Blank NYC that I got at Anthropology. I have on the necklace my husband got me, a Gorjana necklace, and I put on my small hoops again, my bracelet stack. We're off. Hope you're doing amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is a whopping 3 degrees outside right now. The low is 1. The high is 19, so it's going to be a very cold day. And it is cold. When it hits your skin, it is cold. My Anthropology haul posted yesterday. Hope you checked that one out. I have some amazing sweaters and some fun other pieces. The jacket I wore yesterday, I believe, was in that haul, so it's a good one. For my outfit today, I have on cut from the cloth pants I got in a Stitch Fix. I have on a Z Supply t-shirt. So this one is a tee because I'm still trying to regulate my temperature. So between inside and outside, I'm all over the place. So I did a short sleeve tee this time instead of long sleeve. You remember this cardigan, or you will see this cardigan coming out. That's right, it didn't post yet. It's in my Armoire. It's from Nic Zoe, so I'm loving this one. And then my shoes are super fun. Check these out by Dolce Vita. I think I got them last year. For jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me, actually the same jewelry as yesterday, the necklace from Gorjana, my bracelet stack, everything is the same. And then I did grab my Z Supply coat as a cover up, and I also have my little fingerless sweater gloves. And these are by UGG. And hopefully I can make it through this day and stay warm. I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday. We made it. And look, the sun is shining. You can always see this little line when the sun is actually out at my house. So that's awesome because we haven't had any sun. We've had frigid cold temperatures that make you want to run right back in your house and put your jammies back on. It is 12 degrees. It's only getting up to 15, -1 for the low, and it's going to keep that way for quite some time. I think at least through next week. No fun, no fun. But I'm glad to be home where it is much warmer than when I have to be going in and out of places way too much. For my outfit today, I have on an Armoire outfit. So I have on the jeans from DL 1961. I think you guys are going to see this Armoire next week. So you're actually getting a preview of these pieces, but you'll see all of them next week, I believe. The top is from AFRM, has the cute little thumb holes. I have on a belt from Front Door Fashion. My shoes are Cosy Island. How fun are these? And my jacket is Armoire. This one is by ASTR. It is nice and warm and cozy, so I just am putting it on for the few errands I have to run today. Hope your Friday is going fantastic, and I will see you tomorrow for one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is so cold. I said that every day this week, right? It's 4 degrees. 4 degrees, a low of -5, high of 16. Whew. I don't remember it really being this cold in PA in a really long time. Plus, I don't remember it sticking around for a week or two, and it looks like it's going to be about 2 weeks till we see some of this start to head away. So it is crazy cold outside, crazy cold. My Beachly posted today, so check that out. Lots of fun beach-inspired pieces in that box, and I love that you can have choices, so you're more likely to get things that you love and are happy to be able to get into your box. So check that one out. Forgot Friday Funny yesterday, I realized. And so I have a short little clip of Harvey and Dexter. So first of all, please ignore the fact that my windows are filthy, and that is because, as you can see, the dogs are constantly on them. So we clean them all the time, but you can see they get dirty right away. But anyway, Harvey likes to look out the window at the dogs when they're outside doing their business. And then I didn't catch it, but a lot of times he'll scratch at the window as well, hence all these marks on my window. And then the dogs are always putting their faces on there until Harvey will come up, and then they back off. And you can see in this clip, Dexter moves over to the other window where Harvey isn't. They're so funny. For my outfit today, I have on Mother Denim. I believe I got these during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I have on a Free People top. I love this one. It has like the thumb holes. It's so cold outside. I want as much of my body covered as possible. For shoes, these are from Stitch Fix by Dolce Vita, just brown. I did a brown belt that came in a Trendsend. And then I have my coat on. This is the warmest coat I own. It's by Overland. And my husband got it for me for Christmas one year. I absolutely love it. So all kinds of yummy warmth in here, and the wind doesn't penetrate it. I just have to then worry about my face. And that's my outfit, and that's a wrap on After the Day this week. I will put all of my outfits down below. I can link directly to them, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course all the box links are down below also. And I can't wait to hear what your favorite was. So don't forget to comment down below. Hit like, subscribe, swipe to hype so I can keep on going. Stay warm, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.